Instagram has expanded their Notes feature to allow us to share videos. I'm Jessica, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to post video notes on Instagram. Now let's get started. To post a video note on Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right corner. Then tap Your Note. Now tap the blue camera icon next to your profile photo. This will open a small round camera window where you can record your video note. Note that you can only record with the front camera and your video can only be 2 seconds long. Tap the blue record button to begin recording. Your video note will go in place of your profile photo in the Notes section at the top of the messaging window and will play on a loop. If you're happy with your video, tap the blue checkmark to add it to your note. If not, tap the trash can icon to delete it and record another one. You can still add text and music to your note as normal. And choose whether you want your note to be visible to all your followers who you follow back or just your close friends. When you're ready, tap Share to post your note. Your note will stay at the top of the messaging window for 24 hours before being automatically deleted. That's all it takes to post video notes on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.